everyone, and welcome to another What I Eat in a Day. I'm really excited to show you all the healthy, delicious meals that I have throughout the day. And this video is sponsored by Four Sigmatic, which I love, but it's extra exciting because they are having a huge sale right now. So some of their items are up to 60% off, plus an additional 15% with my code. So some things are up to 75% off, which is crazy. This is the time to stock up, to try it if you've been wanting to try it. I know by the time you see this video, I've already placed my large order because I can't be without it. And it's just a really great brand, and they're organic, non-GMO, vegan, and there's definitely something for everybody. I'm gonna leave the link down below along with my coupon code, which is just keepupwithliv, which is an extra 15% off everything on the site. So make sure you use that, stock up, try some new things, and let's go ahead and get into it. So my favorite part of the day is when I make my coffee. So I'm using the one with Cordyceps and Chaga. I love the flavor. No, it doesn't taste like mushrooms, it just tastes delicious. And I love the benefits of Cordyceps. It really helps pre-workout. It just helps your endurance and your performance in general. Adding in some hot water, and then you blend it up. So I love how easy it is because all you have to do is add water. It's quick to make. I also keep these in my purse. I travel with them. They're perfect for school or work as well. Pour that into my pre-warmed cup and I enjoy my coffee. So later on, I have breakfast, and today I wanted some paleo pancakes. So I'm gonna leave my recipe video to make the best paleo fluffy pancakes down below. And I typically have breakfast around 10 or 11 because I do fast. So I have my wonderful fluffy pancakes, and I top that with a little bit of vanilla bean ghee and some fresh berries. And guys, look how fluffy these are. If you haven't made these pancakes yet, you definitely need to. And they're also freezer friendly. So I keep leftovers in the freezer and pop them in the toaster on the morning of. For lunch, I was feeling a quesadilla. I'm obsessed with them right now, if you guys saw my latest quesadilla video. Adding in some avocado oil, a little bit of onions, and just stirring that up until they become translucent. And then I'm just taking some leftover chicken. What I love about this is you can just use leftover protein that you have, and I just use this clean barbecue sauce from Mother Raw and these almond flour tortillas from Siete. Heat that up, add in my chicken, and then add in my onions on top. I also, if I have any leftover roasted vegetables, I like to add that in, whether it's roasted sweet potato or zucchini or just greens in general. And then I'm putting on a couple of tablespoons of dairy-free cheese and putting the other one on top so that it can brown. While that's browning, I just took some spinach and arugula, a little olive oil, salt and pepper, keeping it really simple but delicious, and I just massage that in. So I really like to start my meals with a bowl of greens and then have the main meal afterwards. So once the quesadilla is done, I just cut it up and enjoy, and it's so delicious, especially with a side of mashed avocado. So yummy. For dinner, I was actually at an event. So I had this grass-fed burger on this grain-free paleo bun. I used avocado mayo, a little pea shoots, and tomato, and it was really delicious. I love using paleo buns like this, so I'm gonna leave the brand of the paleo bun down below because it was super fluffy. You would not even tell that it's grain-free. And then once I got home, I just wanted a little something sweet. So I made one of these mushroom hot cacaos. I love it because it has reishi, and reishi is really good before bed. It's kind of like a hug from your grandma, basically. And you add hot water, you have this wonderfully delicious hot chocolate that's good for you, and it's also going to help you sleep. So if you guys head to Four Sigmatic, you can get 15% off your order. This is their site. It's super easy to use. It's navigated by coffees, elixirs, blends. But what's also really cool is you can filter it too. So if you want just the matchas, just the lattes, just the coffees. And they also have a caffeine-free button too. So if you don't want any caffeine, you can just easily find all of them there. So that's going to be it for my What I Eat in a Day. I hope this gave you some inspiration. Don't forget to check out Four Sigmatic and use my code keepupwithliv to get an extra 15% off. Guys, the sale is insane and you definitely don't want to miss it because like I said, it's not back till November, so stock up now. And yeah, I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.